Wow, Jimmy, this is the Eastgate version of Jungle Gyms, huh?
It's amazing. You're going to be blown away. It's the same thing.
Yeah. Let's go inside and check this out. All right, man. What's some of the other unique things that differentiate this store from the Fairfield store?
Well, this store is larger, not by a bunch, but it is larger. So we took some of the best things about Fairfield and made them a little bit bigger here. The candy department is huge here. The cheese department is huge. The beer and wine we expanded.
And when we're talking about cheese, just quickly, one of the things that amazed me was how much does this hunk of cheese weigh?
So the big cheese at Eastgate is a 7,000-pound piece of mammoth cheddar that we've been cutting off little by little. We're almost done with it, so that's pretty good for a year to go through that much cheese.
But you have one at Fairfield, right? But it's not quite as.
That one's provolone, and that one is 800 pounds. So it's a huge difference. So we really, like you said, we went big out here.
Yeah. And I see the NASCARs up here. I see a lot of NASCAR theme in here. What's going on with that?
I think Jungle just is. He loves cars. He loves the monorail, any kind of vehicle. He's really into that. And a lot of people relate to cars, and a lot of people relate to NASCAR as well. So it's a good fit.
And this has the tilt of a real NASCAR track.
It has the real tilt of the track. I don't know the degrees, but I know our guys made sure it was accurate.
And then I saw that big balloon back there hanging. What is that about?
The balloon? You mean the drone, the hot?
Yeah.
Oh, that's something that's really super unique. Jungle actually had that made from airplane parts, so he crafted a new airplane out of old parts. When you guys see that, you're going to love it.
Yeah. And some big differences here in the liquor store and some of the other areas, right?
Liquor store is huge. The cigar humidor is huge. Again, it's 3 times larger than the one in Fairfield, so it's just really it's neat out here, and everything. It gave us a little more time to tinker and play with things, where Fairfield kind of grew over time, but this store let us sort of mastermind it.
You come to Cincinnati, you can check out Fairfield, and you can check out Eastgate.
You're right. We wanted them to be 2 totally different experiences, but the same products, so customers could still use the store as a grocery store and get all the same stuff they love, but the experiences and the feel is totally different. You're very correct.